Hey guys, welcome back to Troy's Garage. My name's Troy. This is my garage. In this video, we're going on yet another field trip. In the previous videos, you saw me getting this Corolla ready for sale, getting top dollar out of that. I'm gonna go check out a truck that is my potential next project. I'm actually gonna take Kermit the 72, Kermit the Ford. Why would I call it Kermit the 72? Because it is a 72. It's an F100 Sport Custom, but I'm actually going to take this one with me. The battery was a little low again. I'm not sure what's going on with that, but just topping that off. Got the plates for it, so I'm going to be sticking the plates on it. I'm going to fire this thing up and let it warm up. I need to get a grinder and grind that little bolt out. Find some new hardware to put the plates on, and then we'll put... I think I'm just going to go with the rear plate. I don't think there's a spot in the front. Oh, it'd be super easy to mount that. So maybe I'll mount that as well. I'm just going to get cranking on that, and then we'll go for a quick road trip, and we'll take a look at what I'm going to be looking at. Yep, sold. I worked super hard to make that Corolla the best looking and best maintained 2003 through 2008 Corolla on the market. It was proof that it was that. When I listed that car, my phone absolutely blew up. As soon as that car was listed, I got message after message after message on that car. I probably should have and could have listed it for a little bit more than I did, but I wanted it to sell fast so that I could move on to my next project. This begins the new chapter for Troy's Garage. I'm going to start buying older stuff, fixing it up mechanically, and flipping it for a profit. So that will fund the next project and the next project and the next project. And basically, you're going to see a lot of content. I'm going to try to pick up some various vehicles. They're not all going to be trucks. They're not all going to be older. It just kind of depends on timing of the market and what I can find. This particular one that I'm starting on, well, it's another truck. So full disclosure, you saw the pictures in this video of what it is. I've already started on it. I've got some good content already on this truck, and I'm trying to stay ahead of the game so that I can keep the content coming. I'm grinding pretty hard and working pretty hard. I would appreciate if you would reach down there right now, click that like button if you've made it this far in the video. You are a fan. Also, follow me on Instagram. I post things there first, so if you're following me on Instagram, you probably have already seen hints of this truck and other projects that I'm working on. I even post things there that don't make it to YouTube, so if you want kind of a little behind the scenes action of what's taking place in my own life, with the family, that sort of thing. I try not to make it too personal, but it's a little glimpse into Troy's Garage, behind the scenes, and me as a human. So follow me at Troy's Garage over on Instagram. That'd be great. Check the links down below for other ways you can support the channel. Amazon affiliate links. I get paid a small kickback for sending them business. So any shopping that you do, if you start with one of my links, I get credit for sending them the business. Doesn't cost you anything extra, but they give me a small kickback. And it adds up more than you know. I use that money to buy tools, parts, those type of things, and I put all that money goes right back into the channel. Appreciate that more than you know. Also, looking at my analytics, it's pretty obvious that the majority of my viewers are not actually subscribed. So I don't know if YouTube sometimes unsubscribes people. So if you'll just look down there real quick, if you're not subscribed, click that button. That's also free. Doesn't cost you anything, but it helps me immensely, and I appreciate that. So if you're into old trucks, old cars, that sort of thing, please like, share, subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next video.